bud. I'm fine, but I'm sure it's trashed.
I was like, that didn't sound good.
Huh?
How come you couldn't have slammed it?
Damn, I got it good, dude. No, I don't know, like the front wheel just like... I mean, it didn't really mess anything up, but damn.
Didn't get you there, did it?
Just the bar end.
Bar end and the fairing?
Yeah.
And the fork tube?
The fork tube. That's just...
No, it's just...
That's just gravel. What the fuck, man? That's probably the worst of it. Not that bad, really. How the fuck did that happen? What the fuck?
What did you do? What did you do?
Well, if that's the worst of it, it didn't come out too bad, right?
Oh, you lost your fog light.
Oh, shit.
This one's been up.
Did this one even touch the ground? How would it?
I think so, but it was like that.
What the fuck? Oh yeah, that just ripped it off. I wonder if I can ride home like that. With it dangling.
That's why I wouldn't.
Maybe like that? No. Maybe. That was fucked up, man. All the crazy shit I did earlier at lunch.
Yeah.
And then I just fucking, right there, I don't even hardly have the wheel turn in it. That'll work for the way home.
This is still... What is that?
It's backwards threads. Oh. Now the whole piece started turning. Damn, we'll have to fix that when I get home. Damn. Alright, you take it home, I'll drive the truck. Oh, look at this.
What'd you do? Just got KLR, dude.
Couldn't find any. Too expensive. All right, that's fixed. Damn, that kind of...
Is your front fender good? Because the way this thing is, the block's tilted in, I want to make sure the fender's not.
Looks okay. Nice, well, I guess I'll be taking all my pictures from this side now. Sweet. All right, well, thank you very much. Make sure you follow me home. My oil light's on.
Yo, the hole's drained to one side.
Yeah. Okay. I have no idea. What the fuck? Turn the key off, turn it back on. Lost my rear brake. It's bent back behind my pedal.
What the fuck?
Yeah, let me turn around and I'll show it to you. I don't know. So I'm gonna have to like ride home real slow, only using the front.
You want to leave it here? I'll take it home.
Nah, because I want to work on it. But I'll just take it slow and use my front. Thanks.